Hello everyone and welcome to MyeTeacher, where we watch, listen and grow. I'm Pushpa and I've been teaching children for the past 5 years. Here I come to you with some videos to understand better. Last time we saw simple present tense and today we are going to learn about simple past tense. As we already spoke, tense is a timeline. It tells us as to when an action happened. Past tense is something that has happened already. So what is simple past tense? It is an action that has started and completed in the past. It has no connection to the present whatsoever. For example, Sean went to Paris last year. I saw a movie yesterday. Did you eat dinner last night? These sentences have occurred in the past. They have no connection to the present. In simple present tense, we saw that we use the first form of the verb. For example, go or see. But in simple past tense, we use the second form of the verb, or also called as the past form of the verb. Now the question arises, how to make the past form of a verb? Here we have to classify verbs into two categories: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Look at this sentence. Every day they went to school by bus, but today they walked to school. So walked is a past form. Some other examples of the past forms of regular verbs are play, played, listen, listened, paint, painted. Now, the other verbs are irregular verbs. Here, forming the past form is not as simple as adding a D or an ED. The past form of an irregular verb is completely different from the present form. The vowels in the base form of the verb change and form the past form. Look at this sentence. Jim usually goes to school by bus, but today he went to school by bike. So goes becomes went. Some other examples of irregular verbs are see, saw, buy, bought, take, took, eat, ate. Here's a list of many more such irregular verbs. I'm sure you come across many of these words, many of these irregular verbs in your daily usage or even in your books. Make a list of them and have a look at them every single day. I'm sure you will remember them. I hope you have understood about simple past tense. If you like the video, share and subscribe and help us reach out to many more people.